Eliminate all this with Electrova 2-in-1 Dehumidifier with Air Purifier. Small and packed with powerful features. Negative ion purification. Improve air quality while eliminate mold and damp. 360-degree airflow in all corner of your house, equipped with advanced filtration. Large water tank with the option via included hose of continuous drainage. Auto shut off when tank is full, with red light indication. Set your timer and personalize your night lights. Ultra quiet technology for a good night's sleep. Reducing indoor humidity during humid and hot season. Reducing energy waste with joy for your home, Electrova.